Hey guys, it's Chris here and welcome back to the Louse House channel. Good news guys, I got my Honda back. So you guys may or may not know from my last video, my Honda got destroyed because a deer ran across the street and fucked me up. Now everything is replaced. And yeah, look at this. We got a new hood, new headlight, new side panel, new side markers. Well, these are my old side markers. They don't do the sequential stuff. They even put the old splitter back on, which is kind of nice of them. I didn't think they were gonna because it's damaged right here. Just a little chip, but you know, gives it more personality. Unfortunately, they had to put everything back to stock, so we're just got to customize it all over again. And if you guys want to see the damage right there, so total cost of the parts and labor, $7,000, $378, and I pretty much paid my 1K deductible, so 1K out of my pocket, and insurance pays the rest of it. But as you saw in the title of the video, we're gonna pimp it out again. Today we're gonna start with these halo fog lights. The halo fog lights, pretty much they have a light in the middle like this, and they have an outer circle like this that glows. Think of it like a BMW headlight, same concept, but they're gonna be replacing those yellow fog lights. And to kill two birds with one stone, we also got the daytime running light garnishes right here. Let me show you. And here they are. They're gonna go over like this. And yeah, they're gonna be sequential and they're gonna look sick. Alright, so last time I installed them, I actually took out the whole front bumper. But I had some comments on my TikTok saying that you can just remove the garnishes, which will be a lot harder. I just need some pry tools. Show you how to pry off this little garnish right here. And this is probably the most difficult part of the job. This one does not have holes for the horn, so we're just gonna have to try to fucking put my fingers there. I'm probably gonna end up breaking clips left and right, but it's okay. I got new garnishes. Okay, that one's broken. Almost impossible. Oh, look at that. Check it out, guys. I didn't break any of the top ones, so that's a good thing. Okay, and yeah. Now most of it's pried off. Just go gentle if you don't want to break it. I think I broke one clip. Ah, yes. Look at that. And it's off. And just like on the other side, there are two screwdrivers right here. Two screwdriver thingamajiggies, and just unscrew them. Okay, there you go. And it's off. And you want to just turn to take out the bulb from the housing unit. You just want to twist it. Give me one sec. Yep. So this has a yellow tint because of this little sticker. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the sticker back on. We're just gonna figure out later. So yeah, and just put it back on like that. That was pretty easy, right? Okay, for now time for the little more trickier part. So these bulbs work for the middle part right there, but these LEDs don't work because we need to connect it to the battery. And to do so, we have these little wires right here, and then the kit also came with this. So at this end right here, we're gonna connect to the battery, to the positive for the red, and the black one should be a ground. We got these, which are gonna connect to those, and on the other side, these will connect to the other side. Let's see if I could just put it like right here. I want this wire to be grounded, and pretty much that means just touch metal. So I loosened this little bolt right here. This is a 14, is it 14? 14 millimeters. And basically I'm just gonna slip it under and start tightening it from the top. Hold on, gotta get it. Now that side's done, we're gonna want to slip these somewhere down in the crevices of nowhere. You just want to try to slip it down there to the fog lights, pushing it down there, and from the bottom garnish, I can grab it now. Oh man, I just had it. See, now I'm pulling from the bottom. It's hard to tell, but yeah, I gotta reach, and it's right here. So yeah, we're gonna connect that to this. Guys, the other side's a lot harder, so it's a little dark here. So what I did is use my phone, put a light like that, and then from the inside you can see where the light's coming from, and then I tied the wire to the stick, which had tape at the end, tied it together and pushed the stick down there, and grabbed it. It was a tight squeeze, but we got it. It's fairly straightforward. You just want red to red and make sure the metals are touching, and then hold on, put some pressure to that, just like that. Now that the metals are touching, connect them together like that. Smush them like that. And now black to black, same thing. They just go in holes and holes. Oh, did anyone see that? Oh my god, they're working. Yeah, they light up just like that. Okay. So I'm running into a small problem. As you can see, the car is off. I'm trying to slice the positive wire into something where when I turn on my car, it turns on, and when I turn off my car, it turns off. But they're constantly on for some reason, so I still gotta figure that out. It's like only like 4:30 and really dark. It's like 8 p.m. I've been trying to troubleshoot why the lights would keep turning on, but essentially what I did is I took the red wire. Let me see if I can show you. I have a little lamp here. And okay, I took the wire and put it with where the headlights on. So every time the headlights would turn on, the fog lights would turn on as well. The black wire, I grounded it to this wire right here. It's just a 10mm painted. And yeah, so now every time I turn on my car, look at that. So yeah, I'll be rocking those. Hopefully I don't get pulled over, we'll see. If you want the blue fog lights always on, not always on, but every time you turn on your car, I would recommend putting them on the daytime running light switch. So the switch is like somewhere, where's my finger? Somewhere back there. And it's so hard to do it without taking off the bumper. You gotta fit your hand in this little hole and try to remove it. But it's like literally almost impossible. So it's getting dark. I think we'll do this in another video, the daytime running lights. I've done them before, so it should go much more smoother. So if I had to rate this install, I would give it an easy to medium rating. If you're new to modifying your car and you're scared, don't be. I know you're scared that you might mess something up, or maybe you can't do it because you've never done it before, but I've never done it before either. I learned by trial and error, and you will too, so give it a shot. There's my Honda, guys. I'm ready to get so many tickets. But yeah, I'll let you know if I get any tickets or if a lot of cops stop me. This pretty much ends the video, and if you haven't hit the like button or the subscribe button, duly appreciate it. Looks sick now. I think I'm gonna change up the look for now because I can. So yeah, that's what I have right now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.